Hello everyone, this is Manjot Singh from Punjab, India, presenting my CS50 SQL project. And the title of my project is Health and Wellness Tracking System, right? Uh, so first of all, let's discuss the structure of the project. So under the project directory, I have four files: a markdown file, image of the ER diagram, then a queries.sql file and schema.sql file. So let's discuss about the design.md file. So this is a file which explains why I have created this project. So the basic aim of this project was to create a database to allow people to track their various aspects of their health, like their diet, exercise, mental health, and how often they visit doctors, right? So this explains a lot about the scope of this project. And right, so I have created these tables: users table, health metrics, diet logs, exercise logs, mental wellness, and medical appointments table. So let's first see the ER diagram. So this is how the ER diagram looks like. Uh, and the description of this ER diagram is again given in this design.md file. So this explains what the ER diagram represents. And then these are the optimizations, means that we can make queries faster using indexing, right? So, or by creating views, right? And these are the limitations, like for example, it cannot provide real-time health tracking or emergency alerts, and it's limited in representing complex medical histories or conditions. Basically, it's like a basic kind of SQL project, right? And this is a queries.sql file, right, where I have listed some of the queries. Uh, and at last, this is how the schema of this database looks like, right? This is how I have created the tables, right? So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, CS50.